Hello, my name is Sean Gallagher, and this is ProbOS, a probabilistic agent-native operating system. What you're seeing is the cognitive mesh. Every glowing node is an autonomous AI agent. They self-organize, build trust through successful interactions, and coordinate through consensus voting. Now, if we go in and look a little deeper, these are the inner nodes. They're core infrastructure. They provide file I/O, shell commands, and HTTP capabilities. Now, if we go a little further out, these are the domain agents: weather, news, translation, notes. Each one is a cognitive agent with its own LLM-powered reasoning. Now, the curves that you see here, these are Hebbian routing connections. They strengthen when agent pairs succeed together. They weaken when they fail. The system learns its own wiring. All right, so let's go ahead and say hello. This is just going to provide a simple greeting. ProbOS introduces itself and lists its current capabilities. Now let's ask it a simple question about the weather. What's the weather in Seattle, Washington? This performs a fetch of live data. The LM formats the response. This is just standard agent operation. So we can see it's currently 42 degrees in Seattle. Light jacket or sweater is recommended. Now let's do something a little bit more advanced. Let's ask what processes are consuming the most memory. This is a system level query. ProbOS isn't a web chat agent. It has shell access gated by consensus. Multiple agents will vote and approve this command before it runs. And so now I can see that Edge and Code are right now consuming the most memory in my system. Now let me show you what happens when we ask ProbOS something it can't do. I'm going to ask it to design a new agent for me that can get the current price of Bitcoin. So what we'll see is that the agent is going to first ask me if I'd like to build the agent. We'll say yes. And now it's going to actually code the agent for us. It'll validate and make sure that it is secure. It will perform sandbox testing, and then it will deploy it to the mesh. After it's done, it'll show a capability report. And there we go. We can see that we now have an agent that can get prices for Gitcoin instantly. So let's go ahead and ask it, what is the current price of Bitcoin? So the current price of Bitcoin is $71,438. Bitcoin is up 1.09% in the last 24 hours. So this is now a permanent capability. No agent design will be needed in the future. The system now knows how to do this. It just got smarter. And if we go back out and look, we'll see that there's a pulsating orb now. That's the new agent right there in the mesh. And as we use the agent more, the confidence level will improve and the trust level will improve through successful executions. So what you just saw was a probabilistic agent-native operating system that designs, validates, and deploys its own capabilities, live in real time with human approval at every step. ProbOS has over 1,500 tests, implements Bayesian trust scoring, Hebbian routing, consensus governance, and episodic learning. It dreams during idle to consolidate what it's learned, and it's built on a theoretical foundation called the Noöplex, a paper on general intelligence that states that it will emerge from cooperative agent ecosystems. If you're interested in following the build, link is in the description. Thanks for watching.